I've got a Whirlpool heavy-duty washer and dryer set here. Now they're not exactly matching, but they're both Whirlpool, have about the same size capacities. This guy's filling up. We're going to wash this heavy jeans and towel load here. Oh, you know what? Let's put it on warm cold, and we're just doing a normal load. And I'll let you hear that it agitates good and that the spin cycle sounds good. So we'll come back to that when it's moving along. Here, let's put it on extra large, because that's pretty heavy load, so we'll do it all the way full. We'll come back to it as you can hear, it agitated just fine, so the spin cycle, we'll come back for that and let you listen to it, and then we'll move the clothes over to the dryer. Okay, and here we go on that final spin cycle. Just about done there. See, it sounds good. It's running nice and smooth. It's got a pretty heavy load in there. It's doing a really good job. And as soon as it's done, we will grab those clothes out, show you that they're nice and light and ready to be moved over to the dryer. Okay, so those are finished up, and just show you that they are nice and light here. Nice big heavy towel, nice and light. Pants, there's no excess water in these clothes whatsoever. Excellent. So give me just a second. We will move those over to the dryer. Get them popped in there, and then I'll show you that it is in fact heating as well. So okay, so that is cleaned out now. I've got those clothes moved over in here. We'll just set this up on time dry. As you can see, it sounds great. No weird noises or thumping or anything like that. It's nice and stable. And I'll show you that it is in fact heating with my temperature gun. So here we go. Right inside, and shoot it right inside the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming out of there, which heats up the inside of the dryer, which will get anywhere from about 100 to 195 degrees. But the heat actually comes out of that little tube right there. So, as you can see, it heats perfectly. Runs great, and we'll do a little bit of touch up on these guys. Otherwise, I'll get them listed up for sale. And if you have any questions on them at all, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I appreciate your time watching this video, and hope you have a good day. Thanks.